Agadir has existed for centuries as a coastal trade hub, connecting Morocco to Europe and sub-Saharan Africa. The old Medina of Agadir was a vibrant market center filled with narrow alleyways, souks, and homes built in traditional Moroccan styles.
Can I see the tickets, Abu Bakr?
It was built by an Italian was not able to finish this architecture.
It's beautiful.
And it's really beautiful. And he died, and then other people, they kept working on the project.
On February 29, 1960, at 11:40 p.m., Agadir was struck by one of the most devastating earthquakes in Moroccan history. The quake measured 5.7 on the Richter scale, but had a shallow depth, making it incredibly destructive. In just 15 seconds, the entire city crumbled. Over 15,000 people died, and 35,000 were left homeless. The old Medina of Agadir was completely wiped out, centuries of history reduced to dust. Unlike other Moroccan cities like Fez or Marrakesh, Agadir's original Medina was never rebuilt, causing a loss of cultural identity. King Mohammed V visited the site and famously declared, "If fate has decided the destruction of Agadir, its rebuilding depends on our faith and will." Aftermath and the city's relocation. The Moroccan government decided to rebuild Agadir, 2 kilometers south of the old city. The focus was on modern urban planning rather than historical reconstruction. The ruins of the old Medina were left behind, fading into memory. Coco Polizzi, an Italian-born architect of Moroccan descent, was deeply passionate about Moroccan culture and architecture. He was known for his restoration work and his desire to preserve Morocco's artistic heritage. His ambitious dream, rebuilding the lost Medina. In the 1990s, Polizzi proposed an idea. If the original Medina of Agadir was lost, why not rebuild it as a living museum? He purchased a large piece of land outside Agadir to construct what would be known as Madina Polizzi. Unlike modern urban development, Polizzi used authentic building techniques, clay bricks instead of cement, hand-carved wooden doors and windows, intricate zeliga, mosaic tiles made by skilled artisans. Over 200 Moroccan artisans were employed to ensure the Medina was built just like in ancient times. Despite its beauty, Madina Polizzi faced financial difficulties. The project was privately funded, and the Moroccan government did not fully support it. Agadir's tourism was mostly focused on beaches, and few visitors knew about the Medina. Why didn't Madina Polizzi become popular? Unlike Fez or Marrakesh, Agadir is known for its beaches, resorts, and nightlife, rather than historical tourism. Tourists coming to Agadir are often unaware of the Medina's existence. Many shops have shut down due to low foot traffic. The site is under-maintained, with some areas showing signs of neglect. Some locals use it as a quiet retreat, but it has not become a cultural hub. Local resident. It's sad because this place has so much history, but people don't know about it. What can be done to revive it? Increased marketing to make Madina Polizzi a tourist attraction, cultural festivals to bring back activity, government involvement in funding and preservation. Medina Polizzi is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a symbol of what Agadir lost in 1960. If we let it fade into neglect, we risk losing an important part of Moroccan identity, comparing Agadir's Medina to other cities. Unlike Marrakesh or Fez, Agadir lacks a preserved old city. If properly managed, Medina Polizzi could fill that cultural gap, the role of locals and tourists in keeping it alive. Moroccans should embrace their architectural heritage. Tourists should explore beyond the beaches and visit cultural landmarks. The Moroccan government should invest in historical tourism,